Hey guys, this is Ganofins here and welcome to worldfreeapps.com channel and welcome to the third part of C programming tutorials. So let's open our Turbo C++ which we downloaded in the third part. Sorry, in second part. If you don't know how to set up Turbo C++, then please watch my second part of C tutorial, C programming tutorial. So let's start the Turbo C++. Okay, you can see this is the Turbo C++. Here, go to new. Now here, this is the new file. Here you are going to make your programs, your C programs, which will you gonna create here. So let's start with the hello world program as always. So let's start with this include, and now this tells this is the pre-processed directives. Sorry, you can see this is the pre-processed directives. It is always included here. Let me show you stdio.h, and this is called the header file. This is header file, standard input and output. And this .h means header files. It hash include stdio.h means that you are including this standard input output header file in your this program. So let's include another header file, which means this is a necessary compulsory header files which you need to implement in every of your C program. And let's include another conio.h. This is console input and output uh, C file header file. It is also necessary. It is an optional header file. If you want to include and add to your program, you can, but it also has another importance. This conio.h, this header file has other importance, which I am gonna tell you in other tutorials. So let's start our hello world program. And okay, this is simple hello world. Hello world. Okay, now close this comment. So now let's start our function. This is void, and this is the main which you need to add in every of your C program. Now the brackets, now these curly brackets. Now just type here printf. Okay, hello world. Now type here get ch. Okay, let me tell you, this is the function. This is the function of this program which you needs to add in every program. There must be one and only one function called main, and this is that function. The brackets following the word main indicate that it is a function and it is not a variable. These brackets indicate that its main is a function, void main, and these are the curly brackets which surrounds the body of the function, which may have one or more instruction statements. This printf is used to print data on the user screen, and this getch command is used to display the output of your program on that user screen. Okay, Now let's run this program. Let's Okay, now to run your program, press Alt and F9. Okay, success. Sorry. Now press the CT Control plus F9 key. Or you can see your hello world has been printed on your screen. Let me tell you about another command, which is clrscr, and it means clear screen. It is used to clear the previous output of a program. You can clear the output of a previous program which you run in your on your screen by using this clear screen command. So uh, I hope you get know about our simple hello world program. If you have any problem in this program, you can ask me by commenting on this video. I hope you all of you guys like this video. Then please smash the like button and please subscribe to my channel for the updates. If I upload any another video on C programming tutorial, then you get updates about it and about any other tips and tricks. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.